How to disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So, first of all, you have to navigate your Messenger and then just click Messenger. Then after that, just go to your settings and go to your profile settings. Then after that, you're gonna search or navigate secret conversation and just turn it off. That is the first method. And the second method is just long press anyone and you just have to click delete and just click delete to delete or to disable and to end encrypted messages. Then you're done.